Hey traders, I hope everyone's having a fantastic morning. It is just past 9:30 in the evening here in Perth. It's the 22nd of February. Thursday. Alright, so I'm just looking at ANTH and it's pretty interesting to see how it performed. I did play this, I think it's around 11 o'clock. It's not actually showing it. I got in on a breakout around here. Maybe it was around then. Yeah, maybe it was. And I got out pretty quickly with a small loss. But it's interesting how it sort of, grinded up there, and it actually went up to 280s. But I wasn't really in a position to hold and wait around for it to get to, I guess I was risking around 5 cents a share. I did try and get in at 225 for a 220 metal stop, but I was chasing, really a 5-to-1 would have been good, so around 250, but I just didn't have time, and there was a lot of resistance there at the 225s sort of region. As you can see, it tried a few times to get through it, and it did finally, and then it held, and then busted through and sort of gained pretty nicely, but a little bit of resistance in the 280s. It's interesting, where it's basing off now. Volume isn't too bad, but I'll have a look at the top percentage gainers and see what's going on. NXTD is nicely priced. Wada. NXTD subsidiary FitPay now taking pre-orders for. Okay, so NXT subsidiary FitPay is now taking pre-orders for Flip, a contactless payment device for cryptocurrencies. Mobile commerce, law enforcement, biometric access control applications. Okay, so it's an interesting little piece out there. I mean, back a couple months ago, this would have gone absolutely ballistic, but the crypto world's down a little bit. There was a correction, but it's interesting. Volume's not too bad. It's up a little bit. Maybe a potential dip off, the 220 sort of region there. There's obviously a lot of support down there, so we'll see what this wants to do pre-market. I've just got MNGA. I might close this out. I'm going to close this out here. Yeah, I mean, this complements what Tim was saying about how the market is behaving, and nothing's really holding its scans. Although ANTH is pretty interesting how it has sort of, is it over the 5-day moving average as well? Well, it currently, is it? No, it's not. But the volume's not too bad. It's just it's hovering now. And ANY, how did this? I'm going to close that out. Even shortable, shorting that, it's just so slow. I don't have to be up too early though tomorrow. But I don't really want to hang around for an hour or two just watching something move painstakingly slow. ARQL I'll bring up. No, I want the volumes too low. No, I'm really not interested in that. Oh, HMNY. What is this doing? I think there was some positive press out on this one from memory. Something along those lines. CHK. Yeah, so it's a Seeking Alpha article. It's junker though, it's junker. I mean, there might be something on. Volume's pretty good. I'm going to bring up one more stock here, CHK. This will be out a little bit earlier than last time as well. So it gives everyone an opportunity to sort of absorb what I'm talking about. Oh, okay, so it's an earnings play. It is, but earnings have been, not a fantastic catalyst, so I'll be watching this with a bit of caution. It just took my attention because of the volume. It's already around 2.8 million shares traded. The average volume is pretty high, so this one can attract some attention. Really, I like ANTH still, but NXTD has probably the best catalyst. Pretty volume slow, but it's nicely priced, so I will be watching this one. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now. I will try and do some live trading as well this evening. Bye.